Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you what's inside this August Scrawlr box. It arrived a little bit later due to customs problems according to Scrawlr. Let's have a look inside the box. Okay, let's have a look. It feels like pens, lots of pens. Let's see what's inside. So this is the description, and this month's Scrawlr challenge is Digital Dystopia. And we have Molotov cocktails, yeah, Molotov pens, acrylic pens. Molotov is a German company, and the reason why this box took longer to get to the UK. So we've got black. So look. So I think you have to pump it. Let's have a look if that works. Ah, yeah, you can see it. I will do that later. Just want to show you what's in the box. So we've got black, then we've got blue, and it's got fine tip and a thicker tip. Then we have green, then we've got a line maker by Derwent, 0.3. I already have a 0.5 from a previous box, and these are really nice to use. What's this? Writer for Vellum, ZIG memory system, Kotake. Another thick tip. Okay, so it says acid free, and yeah, you have to keep it horizontal, so not like that, so the ink distributes better. And then we have, what's this? This is a Uniball Signal Broad pen, white. So look. Then we've got a sticker, of course, and sweet, and of course something to actually paint on. So this is the zine, the Scrawlr zine magazine that comes with every box. And this is the artwork for this month. Featured artist Caparzo. And this is paper. Doesn't say. No, it's not paper. It's more like a board. Let's see what it says here. Ah, it's a De La Rowney Mixed Media Art Board 3-pack. So I will play with these pens. Do a quick swatch for you, and then I see what I can actually make with this. It's gonna be a challenge. I might just do my own thing. Yes, it's an interesting supply. I do have a few acrylic markers, but not that many, and most of the markers I've got are the Posca pens, which I really like to use. The Molotov One for All acrylic twin pens have a fine tip and a thicker tip. They are refillable, water-based, non-toxic, UV-resistant and waterproof. They also dry quickly. They retail at £4.99 each, and all 3 pens cost £14.97. These 3 mixed media art boards by Dela Rowney are an A5 size and can be used with dry and wet media. They cost £2.99. This Zigvillum twin marker from Kuotake has a 0.5mm tip and a 1.2mm tip. It's waterproof, light fast and dries fast. It costs £4.99. The Derwent color line maker was supplied in random colors. It has a 0.3mm break resistant tip, and like the other supplies it's waterproof and light fast. It costs £2.80. The Uniball Signo Broad White pen has a 1mm rollerball tip. It's acid-proof, light-fast and waterproof, and it can be used as a corrector pen too. It retails at £3.21. The total value of this box comes to £28.96. There's really not much I can say here. The pens work really well and have a great coverage, as you can see. You can easily paint on the top of the Molotov colors with a Signa pen. This month's challenge theme was Digital Dystopia, and this is the painting by featured artist Capazo. And this is my own painting. I managed to use all pens for this painting. I really like this month's box. The Molotov pens give great coverage and can be layered, though I think a chisel tip would have been better than a straight thick tip. What is awesome about these pens is that they are refillable. That's pretty cool. I was a little bit disappointed to receive another Derwent line maker in black. They supplied yellow and red and black randomly, so while I got black, other subscribers got yellow or red. It's a finer pen than the one they supplied with one of the earlier boxes. I really liked the Uniball Signo pen. It paints well, is very fluid and has great coverage. As it's also light, fast and waterproof, it will be very useful for creating highlights and whiskers in watercolor paintings or acrylic paintings. I find this one works better than the Sakura Jelly Roll pens. This month's box is the final box I'm reviewing for now. I have started my subscription in September last year and I felt I needed a break. It's also a bit of a space and money issue. However, I think that the boxes have rarely disappointed. There was always something to like, and while a couple of boxes had things in it I already had, like the Faber-Castell brush pens, I discovered some really nice supplies I wouldn't have otherwise. I also love the stickers. I put them on all my sketchbooks. So here are my favorite boxes. My subscription started with the September 2020 box, and it had 5 awesome Posca pens in it, a Mars Lumograph pencil and a black fine liner by Faber-Castell. I've never used Posca pens before and I absolutely love them. I have bought loads of colors as a result of this box and used them in multimedia paintings. The painting I created for the challenge, this cat dragon, was also the inspiration for my linoprint of the same name. In November, Scrawlr treated subscribers to this fabulous graphitin paint set with muted landscape colors by Derwent. I like using these paints. The December box introduced us to these water-soluble art crayons by Marabou. It also had a synthetic brush and a Faber-Castell pencil and a kneadable Derwent eraser. The crayons are fun to work with and a great addition to my watercolor supplies. In January, we were treated to alcohol-based dual-brush Tombow pens. A nice introduction to the Tombow brand. The box also included a nice black fineliner and a pencil and bleed-proof paper. I enjoyed the theme for the challenge, which was to draw paisley patterns. My IKEA duvet covers came in handy for inspiration. February's box had acrylic paints by Sennelier, a magic pencil that produces various colors in one line, and an acrylic marker by Daler Rowney, with paper and a Pro Arte size 6 brush. The paints are nice to work with, even though I tend to prefer glossier paint, but then you can always add glossy varnish to the painting. In April we were spoiled with some quality watercolors by Daler Rowney. This nifty Derwent water brush and 2 Chinagraph pencils. The theme Birds of a Feather was also enjoyable and I ended up painting 4 different bird paintings. And the final one I really enjoyed was the July box, which included 3 bottles of alcohol inks by Marabou, an extender, a pipette, paper straw, a Pro Arte paintbrush and Yapo paper or Yupo paper. I enjoyed playing with these inks so much that I bought loads of more colors and paper, a hand blower pump and a safety mask. So there you have it, my favorite boxes, quite a lot actually. Another reason why I can recommend Scrawlr is that you can earn reward points just by buying, recommending and writing a short review on their website. Once you reach 300 points you can buy a new box. They also often have sales where they sell their older boxes for £5 or £10. I have done both. I probably will resubscribe next year. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you have suggestions for other videos you want me to make, let me know too. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate to this channel via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching and happy painting. Until next time.